I'm just coming from my morning jog, and still sweating, as you can see. And it's winter here in South Africa, and up in Joburg it's really, really cold. But I just had to go out there and get some fresh air and jog. And I was thinking, I really want to challenge, all your senior people. You're not gonna believe this, but I had 10 months ago, 11 months ago, actually last year, the 22nd of July, I had a massive heart attack and ended up in ICU for 10 days, and where they did two what do you call it, stents, because my arteries were totally blocked because of cholesterol and being overweight. And just a bad lifestyle for many years. I was always a sports person, but around about the age of about 40, I gave myself so much into my work and my ministry, and that I neglected my body. And but long story short, I want to let you know that in less than a year, I've transformed my body. I have, doing some weight exercise and running and walking and, the physical stuff. And, it really benefited me. I've lost 18 kilos in this last 11 months, 18 kilos, and gained a lot of muscle. And I'm telling you, you can't believe my sugar. I was type 2 diabetes. And my sugar is now, I'm check every morning, and this morning, for the last 2 mornings, it is 4.8, where I really struggled to get it under 10. And the day before, it was actually 3.9. My blood pressure is so normal, 117 over 74, things like that. It's just amazing what physical exercise does for you. But as I was doing that, and I'm thanking, the God of this universe for, designing my body so that it can heal itself. But then I was thinking again about this thing about emotional intelligence and spiritual maturity. We can put so much into physical exercise and physical training, and then, most people still neglect the emotions and the spiritual. And, and we really live from, we make our decisions from our emotions. We are emotional driven beings. And sometimes we're so immature spiritually, and